Baked potatoes smothered in a creamy garlic parmesan sauce. This is the perfect country crock drizzle and sizzle for all the yummy buttery goodness in this recipe. I'm loving this convenient squeeze bottle. We'll sizzle the steak in this and use it as a topping for the potatoes. It's really the easiest all-in-one product. And we're making steakhouse style potatoes where you sprinkle the outside with salt. Then brown both sides of the seasoned steak in a hot skillet while the potatoes bake. Then we'll add in some drizzle and sizzle and tons of garlic, of course. And this is a high smoke point of 400 degrees, so it's perfect for cooking steak. Get that steak coated well, set it aside. Into those buttery pan juices, add cream, seasonings, parmesan, lemon juice, and simmer until it's thick. Then give the baked potatoes a good slam on the counter to create a fluffy texture on the inside. Into the hot potatoes, we'll add more of that buttery drizzle, pile on the steak, and pour over that parmesan cream sauce. This is one of those meals that people will ask you to make again and again. Not only is it easy to make, but the leftovers are even better than is made in just one pan in this easy 30-minute recipe. I'm using blackened chicken for extra quick and comfy meal. We'll cook the seasoned chicken in a large skillet, set it aside, and add a little butter, lots of garlic, and scrape up the brown bits in the pan. Add seasonings, chicken stock, milk, and buffalo wing sauce, and whisk it until smooth. Then submerge the dry noodles into the boiling sauce and cook the noodles right in the pan liquid. Add in cream cheese and parmesan and stir until it's melted through. I like to add another drizzle of buffalo sauce at the end and then top it with green onions and add the chicken. The full recipe is linked in my bio. Is made in just one pan in this easy 30-minute recipe. I'm using blackened chicken for extra
A little bit of rice makes everything better, and this is a perfect bite. Best thing I've had this year. Our short ribs get seasoned with some salt. Once they're all nicely seared, we can set them aside. And into our pot, let's add some shallots, garlic, 1 can, Panang curry paste, about a tablespoon of flour. Beef goes back in. Top it off with beef stock, just enough to cover the top. Now we can cover it and into the oven. After a couple hours, we can remove our beef, then pour in a can of coconut milk, season with fish sauce, sugar, and bring it up to a simmer for about 10 minutes.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. So many words but they don't mean a thing. You blur the lines between love and obscene. So don't say you need me cause